everyone, Andy here from Salesforce Break. Getting customer feedback inside Salesforce shouldn't feel like wiring 5 integrations together. Today, I'll show you how to create a Salesforce native customer satisfaction survey in just a few minutes using SurveyVista. We'll start from a ready-made template, customize a few questions, publish it, and boom, you've got live survey data flowing straight into Salesforce. SurveyVista lives entirely inside your Salesforce org. So every response comes in as a Salesforce record, instantly visible in reports, dashboards, or flow automations. No external syncing, no broken connectors, and your data never leaves the platform. All right, let's build it. Let me use a survey example that SurveyVista provides us during installation. So this is a survey that has a landing page that I can customize. I can even merge in record field values. There are 2 questions, satisfaction for the products and a free-form response for customer satisfaction feedback. I'm going to clone the first question and I want to ask a dedicated question for services. So let me just get that in, customize this, save. Then I will move on to the design options. Now here I can, for example, add my logo. Nice. Let me just save this and move on to the settings. Here I want to make sure that the survey status is open. And under the options, I want to make sure that an Experience Cloud site has been assigned and the external users have been allowed. So now that I have done that, I can move on to send. But before I do that, let me just show you where the analyze resides. Now you can see all the responses here in this nice layout, including graphs and dashboards. And under send, you have several options, but you will receive in any case a survey response link for external customers and another one for internal customers. So let me just copy this link and open this in an incognito window. And this is how the survey looks like. Now, as a customer, I can say I'm satisfied with the products, but very satisfied with the services. And I can provide a free-form response, submit. And as you can imagine, you can customize the thank you page, the link provided for this button, and there are several options available for you. Now, the data is already in your Salesforce org. You can analyze it, you can customize it, you can relate it to several records inside Salesforce and launch automations off of it. Read the full article on salesforcebreak.com and visit SurveyVista by Ardira to try this for yourself. I'll drop the link right below this video.